Hello friends, welcome to our fun English learning class. Today we're going to learn the names of things we see around the house, like table, chair, bed, fan, and more. But wait, not just the names. We'll also use them in easy sentences to help you speak better English. Are you ready to learn and have fun at the same time? Let's get started.
This is living room.
I watch TV in the living room.
This is our bedroom.
I sleep in my bedroom.
This is our kitchen.
Mommy cooks in the kitchen.
This is bathroom.
I brush my teeth in bathroom.
This is our dining room.
We eat dinner in the dining room.
This is garage.
Daddy parks the car in the garage.
The toilets are in the basement. This is attic.
All things are kept in the attic.
This is hallway.
I walk through the hallway.
This is laundry room.
We wash clothes in the laundry room.
This is a bed.
I sleep on my bed.
This is a chair.
I sit on the chair.
This is a table.
My books are on the table.
This is a sofa.
I relax on the sofa.
This is a desk.
I do homework at my desk.
This is our wardrobe.
My clothes are in the wardrobe.
This is a beautiful couch.
We sit on the couch and read.
This is a shelf.
Books are on the shelf.
This is a drawer.
I keep my socks in the drawer.
This is a cupboard.
Plates are in the cupboard.
Looks, this is a clock.
The clock shows the time.
This is a pretty mirror.
I see myself in the mirror.
This is a lamp.
The lamp gives us light.
This is a beautiful fan.
The fan keeps us cool.
Looks, this is a television.
I watch cartoons on the television.
This is a carpet.
We sit on the carpet and play.
Looks, there is a beautiful curtain.
The The curtain covers the window.
This is a rug.
The rug is soft and warm.
This is a pillow.
I hug my pillow when I sleep.
Look, this is a door.
I knock on the door.
This is a window.
I look outside through the window.
Stairs.
I walk up the stairs.
This is a roof.
The roof keeps us dry.
Hey, look, this is a chimney.
Smoke comes out of the chimney.
This is a fridge.
Milk is in the fridge.
Looks, this is a oven.
Mom bakes cake in the oven.
Hello, dear parents. We work really hard to create fun, safe and educational content to help your child learn and grow every day. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to support our efforts in making learning joyful for your little ones. Thank you for being part of their learning journey.